During the holidays, residents typically see festive Christmas lights, holiday decor, and the smiling faces of Salvation Army bell ringers. Channel 8 News reporter Alex Kemp is outside of Walmart to explain what those red kettle buckets mean to the Manhattan community. Alex?
Exciting for most families, but for some they can be really tough. I got the opportunity to talk to the Salvation Army about how they're helping the families in need. The red kettles are back this season, and the Salvation Army is geared up to make a difference in our community.
Our goal this year is to raise $50,000, and with that $50,000, it stays within the community in Raleigh County that we service families and individuals who are in need of rental assistance, medication, utility assistance, and any basic needs.
Many families in the community benefit each year due to the funds raised by the kettlebell ringers.
2018 has been an adventure. In August, I had spinal surgery, and like they say, sometimes when it rains, it pours. So I had lost my job, and bills were due, and we had lost our home, and I had nowhere to go. And when you go through a tough time, sometimes everyone is just telling you, oh, it's going to be okay, and it's going to be okay. And you tell yourself, like, yeah, okay, but in the back of your mind, you're panicking still. The resources that they gave me helped my family tremendously beyond words.
Hi, we're here at the local Walmart with Dale Mosier, who is a bell ringer for the Salvation Army. So Dale, after the bucket is full, where do the donations go to?
They go to the Salvation Army, and goes basically to help the needy kids that locally in town.
Okay. Where do the donations physically go to? Back to the location here in Point?
Yes, ma'am. It stays local.
And so, what is the Salvation Army doing this year to increase their donations?
Basically, trying to, we got a set goal, and we're going to try to make a full goal with $50,000, and hopefully we'll make it. Hopefully we'll make it.
Hope so. Thanks, Dale, for your time. The weather is still pretty chilly, but I'm hoping that it warms up soon. Rachel Hogan has the weather. Rachel?